Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video, another YouTube tips video. If you're new here, my name is Lesodur. So I started my YouTube channel like 2 years ago, and there's so many mistakes I made in between that time that usually make me feel like starting this channel afresh, but I cannot do that right now. So the only thing is to learn from the mistakes, and I wanted you guys to learn from my mistake, especially when you're starting out with your YouTube channel. Like, there's so many things you need to know before starting out that can help you to start a successful channel, not just starting, because most people will tell you, oh, start a YouTube channel, you make a lot of money, but then in 3 months time you give up and you ask yourself, like, why did this happen? It's because you are not prepared. Like, preparation, if you prepare for a battle, that is when you can win. So you just have to prepare yourself. So today I'm going to talk about those tips that can help you start a successful YouTube channel. The first mistake is not knowing my niche. And the problem with this is that you will not know your audience, because when I started out, I used to do so many things. I used to do cooking, vlogs, nursing, like so many things. I even used to do educative videos, like I think it was almost 10 things. Like, you see, from my first video to my 10th video, they're all different things. Like, nothing is similar to the other. And not because you don't know your niche, you won't know your audience, because you'll get audience who are interested in cooking videos, but then next week they see you posting nursing video, you're teaching students on how to pass the nursing school, and then they're like, what does this channel even talk about? And so you won't be able to have this audience in one place. So one thing that I wish I really knew when I started out is to know the niche that I really want to do. That if it's cooking, it's cooking, but that doesn't mean that you cannot do other things. Like, you can do cooking, and then you can do day in your life videos whereby you show what you eat in a day, and then you can do travel videos whereby you even, or reviews video whereby you review restaurants. Like, you can have a niche, but then you try and move towards different directions, but then you are just almost talking about the same thing in that niche. That even if, yes, say you are doing cooking videos, when you talk about restaurant videos, that is something that someone who is interested in cooking videos will be interested in watching you reviewing a certain restaurant. Are you getting? So I really wish I could have focused on a certain niche, and this could have really given me a specific audience, because it is usually so hard for me to like cater for my audience who subscribe because of my hair videos, and cater to my audience who subscribe because of my nursing videos, and still cater to my audience who subscribe because of this and this. It becomes so hard for you to really know, even you yourself, to know what you're talking about. The second mistake is doing sub for sub. So when you start out, especially most people who are usually targeted for sub for sub, actually small YouTubers who are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I remember for me, the first time I started doing those sub for sub things, I was still at, I don't know, 200 subscribers. So someone will target you because they know that you are interested in getting more subscribers, because you want to reach 1,000 subscribers. So they'll come to your DM and tell you, oh, I can help you get to 1,000 subscribers. The people will be able to tell you that you give them a certain amount of money, then they give you the subscribers. But the people will tell you, subscribe to my channel, I subscribe to yours. That is the one I'm talking about, sub for sub. You subscribe to mine, I subscribe to yours. But it gets worse when people say these things. I know you've heard things like 10 for 10, I don't know, 30 for 30, that I give you 10 subscribers, you give me 10 subscribers. Let's say I use my mom's phone, my brother's phone, my friend's phone, so that I can subscribe to your channel with all those accounts, or I create like several Google accounts, then I subscribe to your channel using those accounts, then you do the same to me. You know what the problem with this is? You'll get 30 subscribers who are not interested in what you're talking about, because yes, I'll give you the 30 subscribers, but for me on YouTube, I usually don't watch nursing videos. Like, I'm not a nurse, I'm not even interested in what they do with their lives. Oh, sorry for that. So that means I would watch your videos. Like, I've subscribed to your videos using 30 accounts, but I won't watch your videos. So that is where the problem is, because you're going to tell the algorithm that the people who have subscribed to my channel are not interested in my videos. So there's no need of pushing my videos out there for other people to watch if the people who have subscribed to my channel are not interested in my videos in the first place. So that is the problem with sub for sub. Yes, you'll have so many subscribers. You'll have 3,000 subscribers, but you have 3,000 subscribers who are not interested in what you're talking about, who will just skip your videos, who will not watch any of your videos, and even maybe they don't even know like your videos exist, because people just subscribe for the sake of you doing sub for sub. I'm telling you, it's better for you to have 1,000 subscribers, but then they're genuine subscribers who are interested in watching like your content. Because if we who have subscribers watching your content, YouTube is going to know that I can push this out to other people who are interested in the same kind of content. What you should know is that YouTube does not pay you because of the number of subscribers you have. It pays you from the number of ad views that you have. I've never seen these people who have 1,000 subscribers, but then their videos have even 100,000 views or 200,000 views. They'll be able to be paid more than you who has 100,000 subscribers, but you only get 2,000 views. Your videos are not even being recommended. As I'm telling you, I know people are going to push you into doing the sub for sub thing, and it is so tempting because you really want to grow. You want to show that you're growing, but then it's not worth it. Just let it come automatically. It's the best thing. Like if you achieve it, like people are subscribing genuinely, you'll be able to feel it. Like, I've achieved this. The third mistake is not interacting with your audience. Like, you should be able to interact with the audience. You reply to their comments. If they come to your inbox and DM you, reply to their concerns. You're able to like their comments. You give them a heart. You reply, you share, you talk about what they asked on your next YouTube videos. Like you make them feel like they're part of that channel. Like that will, you know, for me, if you make me feel like that, if I see another of your video popping up, like I'll subscribe, I'll watch like almost all of your videos because I feel I'm part of your community. So interact with your audience, and this will also help with audience retention. You know what makes your videos to be recommended is how long do people watch your videos. Are people able to watch even half of your videos? Are people able to click when they see a thumbnail and they see your face? Are they able to click on that video because they like adore you? This can only happen if you are interacting with them. If you talk to them, you like reply to their concerns, and you are there for them. Like they'll subscribe, they won't miss your videos. And this is something that you can start doing as early as possible. You know, like when you're starting out, you still have 1 comment per video. At times you don't even have a comment. That is so easy to reply. It will come a time whereby you have even 1,000 comments. If you cannot be able to reply or heart 1 comment, can you be able to do that for 1,000 or 2,000 comments when it comes to that time? Number 4 is not doing my research. I think this is the biggest thing that I actually regret when I started out, is not doing my research. Because if I did my research, I could have known so many things. Something like, what are the highest paying niches on YouTube? What are the types of videos that people are searching for on YouTube? How will I be able to retain my audience? How do I create good thumbnails? Like, these are the kind of research you should start conducting even before you start your YouTube channel, because this will help you whenever you want to create a video. You have in your mind that I have to create a good thumbnail, I have to be able to keep my audience retained, I have to be able to entertain my audience, I have to do this and this. This can only happen when you researched. Like, I'm so sure if I researched and like looked at which are the highest paying CPM, how do YouTubers make money on YouTube, like I could have done things differently, maybe that could have made me grow way better. Like, it's so hard to be able to try and shift when you've already grown to more than 1,000 subscribers, but it is easy for you when you're starting out because you already like try and research, listen to YouTube videos, Google all these things, try and know what people are looking for, create things that are searchable. You know, usually see most people just create a YouTube channel because they want to like create only, I haven't said that gossip videos are not a good type of content, but we have so many people just doing gossip videos and then things that are trending right now, and by the time next month comes, that thing is not existing anymore. No one is looking for that content. Like, I really wish people can know that the best kind of content is a type of content that is searchable, something that I'll search for this year, next year someone will search for it, even 10 years to come someone will still search for that content. And that can only happen if you do your research. And that type of content will be able to pay you, because if people are able to watch that kind of video this year and then 10 years later they're still watching that video, that means it will still keep on paying me and bringing me income 10 years to come. Like, And then finally, number 5 is not planning. Like, you should be able to plan. When will I be shooting? when will I be editing, when will I be posting my videos. And then like you have to know, have a certain schedule so that you can be like consistent. Let's say you post the videos Mondays and Wednesday. You say every Saturday, whenever I sit, I have to like create 2 videos, and then I'll schedule them to be watched on Monday and Wednesday. There you've already become consistent, because after that you just relax and wait for Monday for that video to pop up and Wednesday for the other video to pop up, and then until next Saturday you'll then prepare yourself, sit down, and like if you plan, you're going to be consistent, you're going to give your audience what they're looking for. And when it comes to planning, even plan what you're going to say. Like, what are you going to say? If you won't just sit down and just talk, like you should have these points written down somewhere. I usually see some people even write the entire script of what they're going to say, so that you can do the audience rotation. Because if you're just mumbling with words throughout the whole entire video, no one is going to listen for even 3 minutes or something. Plan yourself. Have a really good plan of how you're going to create these videos, when you're going to create this video. I'm telling you, scheduling is the better option. Trying, let's say today is Monday, today is when I'm posting this video, and today is when I still want to shoot this video. I want to edit it the same day. Like, you won't be able to do it as well as you want to. But then if you do it on Saturday, Sunday you edit, you schedule it. If there's any mistake, unarekebisha. That means by the time Monday comes, you've done a perfect job. So that is it for me, guys. So know your niche, avoid sub for sub, understand your audience, do a lot of research, and do planning. With these 5 tips, I wish you success in your YouTube channel. I know you're going to do the best. Make sure you watch other videos that I've done on creating a good YouTube channel and succeeding on YouTube. We are all going to do our best. We're all going to get somewhere with our channels. I really hope for the best for you guys. So thank you for watching this one. If you haven't subscribed, make sure that you subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.